Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix overheating problem in Realme P4 5G. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Realme P4 5G having the charging issue, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. So guys, first thing is guys, you identify the heating cause. So guys, the heating cause, first open setting to identify the heating cause. Then guys, go into the battery section. In the battery section here, currently I'm not using this phone too much. It shows all the app data, which application consume how much percentage of the battery. So you just find out the application, and after finding the problematical app, you just go long press on the app, then go to the app info. In the app info, you go to the option of battery uses and select it to the restricted background activity. Okay, so this help you to save your battery. Okay, another thing is guys, you reduce your brightness. So guys, make sure that you are using the brightness in the moderate, not too high, not too low. Okay, then guys, close heavy app. So guys, always close the heavy application. So just swipe up like this. Okay, and also you press this button like so. This help you to refresh your phone manager. Okay, here it clean up your phone and delete the unnecessary data from the phone. So just click it and clean it. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe.